Hello everyone, hope you're all doing safe. Today let's discuss about mucormycosis. Mucormycosis is caused by a fungus which is present in the soil and all around us. It is an opportunistic infection. It means it will cause infection only when your immunity is low. That is during uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, or if you're an organ transplant patient, you will be on long-term immunosuppressive drugs, or if you're diagnosed with any kind of malignancy, your immunity will be compromised. So when you're healthy, when your immunity is strong, your body's immunity will be able to fight against this infection. This infection is a very rare infection. The occurrence is only 0.14 per 1,000 people. Now, why are we talking about such a rare disease? So, for the past few weeks, there has been increase in number of mucormycosis cases being reported in COVID-19 patients during the infection and during the recovery time. So, what is the reason for increase in mucormycosis in COVID-19 patients? Number 1, uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. Number 2, COVID-19 infection itself is said to raise your blood sugar levels. Number 3, the steroids used in the treatment of COVID-19 infection suppresses your immunity. It also raises your blood sugar levels. Number 4, when you are on long-term oxygen therapy or when you are on ventilator, you are at increase in risk of developing mucormycosis. So, what are the early symptoms of mucormycosis? How can it be diagnosed early? You will have a sinusitis-like picture. You will have a facial pain, headache, nasal stuffiness, nasal discharge, blurred vision, double vision, dental pain or loosening of tooth. So, all these are the early symptoms. In your late stage or in the advanced stage, you will have facial blackish discoloration of your facial skin, your drooping of your upper eyelids known as ptosis, protrusion of your eyeball, and complete loss of vision. Once the infection invades your brain, you will have seizures, altered sensorium, and loss of consciousness. How do we diagnose mucormycosis? It is by a deep nasal swab or a diagnostic endoscopy, nasal endoscopy performed by an ENT surgeon. CT and MRI is done to rule out the extent of the lesion to plan the treatment accordingly. So, how do we treat mucormycosis? The early stage, the treatment is by IV amphotericin B, which is an antifungal drug of choice, and followed by that, the ENT surgeons perform a nasal endoscopic guided debridement of your necrotic tissue. In advanced stages, when your vision is completely lost, an extensive surgery is performed where the entire affected tissue is removed. This is done to curb the spread of the fungus to the other parts of the body. How do we prevent such a dreaded infection? Number 1, strict control of your blood sugar during your COVID infection and post-recovery. Number 2, use sterile clean water for your oxygen humidifiers and your O2 concentrators during your oxygen therapy. 3, wear masks while handling soil and garbage. 4, maintain a hygienic environment around you. Number 5, do not self-medicate yourself with steroids. Number 6, do not ignore your early symptoms such as nasal stuffiness, your headache and nasal discharge. Above all, the most important step is to wear your masks, stay at home. Let us all stay protected from COVID-19 infection. This too shall pass. Thank you.